Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from Domesticated Me. If you're new to my channel, welcome, bienvenidos. My name is Jessica Flores and I am a beauty-obsessed, fashion-loving, DIY project-making Latina mom from New York City, and I blog and vlog at Domesticated Me. Today I am doing my very first RocksBox unboxing for 2018 and I'm really excited. This box has been sitting in my apartment for a couple of days, so I'm just dying to open it up. And if this is your first RocksBox, well, then you're in for a treat, because this is one of my favorite subscription services. They send you 3 pieces of jewelry in every box. There's no limit to how many boxes you get per month, and it's only $39.99 per month, and you get really beautiful, gorgeous designer jewelry. You fill out a form that that really captures your personality and your style and your aesthetic, so you get a stylist that sends you things that you will love every time. So again, here is my box, and I'm already seeing my favorite color. There it is. That means I'm getting a Kendra Scott piece. Kendra Scott is one of my favorite jewelry designers, and oh no, I'm actually getting 2 Kendra Scott pieces and a Gorjana piece. I love Gorjana as well. One of the things that I love about RocksBox is that they've introduced me to new designers, and when I see the brand, I know that I'm going to really enjoy whatever's inside. So I'm going to open up first the Gorjana piece. These are so cool. Oh my gosh, I love earrings like this. Obviously they know that, because after you get every box, you can rate the pieces that you were included, so they really get to know you and your style, and these are absolutely gorgeous. So my style. I'm gonna put these on right now. The other great thing is that you can actually let your stylist know if you have an event coming up and what it is, and they will pick out things that will just be perfect for whatever it is that you're wearing or the event. They're great. So there you go. Love, love, love these. And I'm gonna open up my Kendra Scott, the first Kendra Scott bag in here, and it's a necklace. Oh, love this. I have earrings from Kendra Scott that I got from my RocksBox that I purchased that would go really well with these. So this might be a contender for a purchase. Actually, both of them are. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, so another great thing about RocksBox is that if you fall in love with a piece, then you can purchase it at a member price, which is, a big discount from what they actually retail for. And they also sometimes put money in your little bank so that you can spend it towards your purchase. And so I have some money in my bank and I might be spending it. If you sign up for RocksBox, and I really encourage you to do so, use that link below in the description box. When you sign up using that link, which is my affiliate link, then you will get your very first month of RocksBox for free. Your very first month, not like a single box, your very first month. So you can try it on, send the pieces back, get another box, try those, as many times as a month will allow, with, counting for shipping days. And then at the end of that month, if you are not satisfied or you want to discontinue, you can go ahead and do that without having to pay a cent, or you can continue your subscription, which you probably will, because I'm telling you, I love them. Oh my goodness. Oh, you guys. So my very last piece is another piece by Kendra Scott, and it's another pair of earrings. And you guys, how cool are these? I really like this too. It gives me like mermaid vibes. Really like this. Now I'm going to read the little note that came with the box. This gives me more information about each of the pieces, along with a little message. So it says here, "Hi Jessica, I hope you enjoyed your last set. Remember to leave feedback on your pieces so that we can tailor your next set even closer to your personal style. This classic Kendra Scott Alyssa necklace is the perfect delicate pendant. Classic black has never looked so beautiful. The asymmetrical drops on these Gorjana Mave earrings give a modern twist to your classic gold dangles. You can wear them in the office or for a night out. The elegant silhouette of the Alex earrings make it the perfect dangle for a special occasion, but it can also be worn to dress up a simple tee. I can't wait to hear your feedback on the last set. enjoy wearing everything. So the Kendra Scott Alyssa necklace in black is, well, I don't know what the retail price. I will link to everything, of course, below, but the member price is $50. The Gorjana Mave double drop earrings, the member price for that is $47. And then the Kendra Scott earrings is $65. So there you go. That was everything in this RocksBox. I love these pieces. Let me know what you think. I always love to hear from you guys because you guys tell me what I should buy, and I really like getting that feedback from you guys. So what do you think? Out of the three, if there's your favorite, if there's one that I should purchase, let me know. If you think I should purchase two, I should purchase all of them, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and share if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and click that little bell icon so that you're notified as soon as my videos go out. Thank you again for watching, and stay tuned.